Hey there, I am Gunapriya. Welcome to your favorite YouTube channel GpnArts. Today I will show you how to make this simple and beautiful paper box for chocolates. You may also learn many crafts at our website GpnArts.com. So without getting waste our time, let's move to our video. For this craft we need one rectangle paper. Here I use one rectangle design paper. Now what we are going to do, apply glue on this side. Take measurement from your finger, just like your half finger. Make a mark and apply glue on that part. Now fold like this and make a cylinder shape. Press it. Wet little bit of so it will be dry. Now here we have cylinder shape. Now what we are going to do, for this side we apply glue from inside. And press it. Let it dry. And for this side, what we are going to do, we stick it exactly opposite from this direction. Apply glue from inside and exactly opposite by this direction, like this. And before sticking it, we put chocolate inside. So this is your chocolate box. And we stick it. That and hold it for some time so it will be dry. So here our chocolate box is ready. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like the video, then do not forget to share it with your family and friends. For upcoming more videos, please subscribe GpnArts. Till then, bye.